Hi and welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we're cooking minced beef stew. This is a super easy recipe which takes literally about 10 minutes. It doesn't have much of a preparation time unless of course you want to add extra ingredients to it. I've chopped up some onions. I'm adding a little bit of fresh pepper just for the heat and we'll saute this in a bit of oil. You can omit the pepper if you do not like chili. And I'm using beef drippings for this recipe, but you can choose any oil of your choice. So I will saute this for a few minutes and I'm going to add in my minced beef. When it comes to oils, I generally stick to animal fats. So I would use tallow, lard, can't remember what other fats we have. Beef dripping, I say, yes, that's what I've just used. And now it's time to add in your minced beef. This is a 20/80 ratio, but you do have other ratios from 5 to 10 or even 25 that you could use. But this is my preference. So I'm breaking down the minced meat and I'm using low to medium heat. I got this minced beef from Lidl's, less than £3. So if you're on a carnivore diet or maybe a keto diet, this is a cheap meal for you and it's super easy to prep. So you season to taste, keep mixing, add your salt, your spices. I'll put a list of everything I have used on the screen here. I'm adding a bit of soy sauce to taste, and I like this brand because it doesn't have any sugar added to it. And now it's time to turn this minced beef into stew. And how do we do that? We're going to boil up some water, which I've done already, and pour some into the minced beef. What I generally would do is pour just enough to cover the minced beef, but you could put more depending on how watery you want it to be. We're almost done, but not yet. So we're going to allow this to boil up a little bit. Yeah, until you see the bubbles. And so what you would do once you've seen it boil up is crack some eggs. I'm using 3 eggs for this recipe. You could use 1 or 2 or even more depending on what you would like. Once you see that the water has boiled up, you crack your eggs, mix them up, switch off your gas or electric, whatever it is you're using, and pour your eggs right into your minced beef stew and stir it. The heat from the boiling water will cook the eggs. And that's it, you're done. It's all ready to be served. And there you have it. I love this recipe because it tastes delicious. It even smells nice. It's a super easy recipe. I keep saying how easy it is. And one thing is, I never used to like minced beef. I could not think of what to do with minced beef. I just couldn't bear the taste. But now I've learned how to make it taste nicer where I can at least eat and enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. And please subscribe and please like and comment. Thank you. Have a lovely day wherever you are. Bye bye.